Friends, welcome back to my channel Kids Kingdom. In today's video, we will learn about recognizing alphabet, its phonic sound and words related to it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. This is A. Its sound is A. Word related to it is apple. So we will speak the three together. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, grapes. H, hen. I, ice cream. J, jug. K, kite. L, lamp. M, monkey. N, nest. O, orange. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watermelon. X, X-ray. Y, yak. Z, zebra. So friends, ये 3-way concept kids को help करेगा words को recognize करने में, उसकी phonic sound जानने में और उस alphabet के related word से familiar होने में. If you find the content beneficial, please like this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.